What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I have some preliminary deals till tomorrow's Amazon Prime Day and the day after that. All right, because I got a whole bunch of companies hitting me up saying, friend, we have a lot of deals going on. Can you make a video? So I'll be making videos tomorrow and then day after that to let you know about all those deals. But first up, over here at Facebook, Patrick Stephen, not sure, but he found some ridiculous. I agree, David, right? It's a ripping deal, okay? I've never said that before in my life, but it is. Flex 7 1/4 circular saw kit. I can't even speak straight. With a 10 amp hour stacked lithium battery for $159. That's in store only, so go ahead to your nearest Lowe's to see if they have it there. Moving on over to Amazon, this Skill, we have another Skill deal. So we have this Skill right angle impact driver with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. And again, I just want to let you guys know these Skill 12 volt tools are pretty good. Okay, their batteries are amazing because they can charge your phone. They have a little USB-C port on them, and you can even use it while the tool is plugged in. Now, you obviously wouldn't do it with this probably, but if you had like a light or something and you use this battery, you could run the light and then you could charge your phone all at the same time. Even with the charger, it has an extra USB port so you can charge other devices. I think it's just a USB-A to be more universal. But anyway, this whole thing is $69 for that whole kit. Sweet deal there. Moving on over to Home Depot. We have a few things going on. The summer has been a little slow. But we do have this Milwaukee drill and impact driver kit with two 1 amp hour, 1.5 amp hour batteries, charging the bag for $99. We have this. Okay, so it's two of these going on. Now, I've mentioned this a few weeks ago, this deal. And yes, during the holiday, you can get this for $79. But it ain't the holiday. If you want to wait several months to save $20, go ahead. But if you need it today, this is what you got. So you can get this for $99, and they have this whole deal. But then if you just go to the rotary tool page, you have the rotary tool for $99, plus you get the starter kit for free. So they're basically the same deals. The difference is if you do this and you decide, you know what, I don't really want the battery or the charger later on, you can return that and you will end up keeping the rotary tool for $55. So I would buy this deal over that one because this one is not so-called hackable. You got to keep the whole thing or return the whole thing. Here, it gives you some options. And what is life if it's not full of options? Moving on, we have this M18 inflator. Same deal. You have your starter kit up here, two 8 amp hour batteries and a charger. That is $269, I believe, and you can choose to get this inflator for free. That breaks down to be $161 for the starter kit and $107.48 for the inflator. The original inflator is also back on sale. I say that reluctantly. It reminds me of the Milwaukee Brad nailer that used to be $249 and will go on sale religiously for $199. Now it's $299 and it goes on sale for $249, which was just its original price. And that's what's kind of happening here because this was always like $59 every time I looked. But apparently it's $89 and now it's on sale for $59. Now during the holidays you can grab these cheaper, but again, it's not the holidays, so $59, not a bad deal there. I love this inflator. One of my favorite ones. The thing I like most about it is that you don't need the battery to run it. You can plug this into your cigarette lighter and it'll still run just fine. Moving on over to Lowe's, we have this Bosch Pro Factor 6-inch angle grinder, and it comes with your choice of two 4 amp hour batteries, and they're like super slim too, or a starter kit, one 4 amp hour battery and a charger. I mean, get those two batteries. That's a no-brainer right there. $188 for a very, very good angle grinder. If you didn't see my review I made like a year ago and some change, I think it might have been longer than that, a year and a half ago, on the angle grinders. Hopefully I remember to put it up here in the upper right hand corner. You could check that out. One of my favorite angle grinders right there. Moving on to some Metabo HPT stuff, and we'll wrap up here. We have this orbital sander for $119 on a BOGO. You buy that and you get a free starter kit, two 2 amp hour batteries, and a charger. You also have this Metabo HPT work light. Now, I said I was going to buy this because it came out the end of last year. Last year, I didn't get my hands on it. But it's way more versatile than the Milwaukee. The Milwaukee's $229. It's been on sale for $179 a lot lately. But this is $239, and it also comes with that same starter kit. This is an okay deal. Like I said, this thing used to be $199 as well. I don't know what's going on with inflation. But the reason I have this up, I want to ask you guys, because it says battery operated and plug rechargeable stand work light. So will this charge your batteries? It comes with the charger. Okay, it comes with the AC adapter. Unlike the Milwaukee, you got to just find an extension cord. But it comes with it. I'm wondering if you pop a battery in here and then plug it in, will it charge your battery? Does anybody watching this know? Because I don't know. I haven't got my hands on one yet. So that's what that's there for. And we have this jigsaw deal. So you have the jigsaw and you get that starter kit, $99. Not bad there. And now this is finally, for real, we have this Metabo HPT 7¼ inch circular saw. Very good saw. That also comes with the same starter kit, two 2 amp hour batteries, and a charger. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Stay tuned for tomorrow, because it's going to be a bunch of deals tomorrow. A whole bunch of deals tomorrow and the day after that. Share this video with your brethren. Don't be stingy. Subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. And I will see you guys next time.